Meaning of forced march.
Forced march.
Forced march.
Forced march.
Forced march. A forced march is a military term used to describe the act of making soldiers quickly and relentlessly walk or run for long distances without rest, often under duress. This is usually done to cover considerable ground in a shorter amount of time, or to escape danger or pursuit. The result of such marches is often extreme exhaustion, dehydration, and physical and mental fatigue, which can lead to a loss of morale and even increased risk of injury or death. Despite the risks, forced marches have been used throughout history as a means of training troops and achieving strategic objectives.